Fox News. Well, all investors seek an edge. One startup harnessing data points from social media to do it. The president and CEO of ISentium, Gautham Sastri, with me now. So, Gautham, you say your system can analyze more than 1 million tweets every day. What advantage does this give an investor?
The premise is, by the way, thanks for having me on the show. The premise is that the most powerful thing in humanity is a mob. If you have 10,000 people that decide that they're going to sell, it's hard for 10 experts to stop them, regardless of the fundamentals. So our approach is there's about 300 million tweets per day. We analyze all the tweets that talk about the stock market. We don't differentiate between experts and novices. We just take this whole pipeline of emotion and quantify it. Our main expertise actually is language analysis. And we produce sentiment ticks. And it turns out that those sentiment ticks are predictive of price ticks. Now, the interesting thing about ISentium as a technology company is that we actually trade our own signals at a modest level.
Okay, that's great. So let's hear the track record then, Gautham.
Well, without leverage, it was 29% in 2014, and we're up 20% year to date. Since we do use leverage, the numbers are in an auditable form somewhat greater than that.
Those are some numbers that any money manager would like to have. But you're not the only company that is doing not exactly this, but something similar to this. StockTwits is one natural competitor that I can think about. How are you keeping your edge?
Well, StockTwits is a supplier. We've been buying their data for the past 5 years. And I like Howard Lindzen. He's done a great job of creating a community. What we do is take those tweets and turn them into numbers. So we're literally generating a virtual price, if you will. And the actual price that you end up seeing printed tends to be reflected in advance by the virtual price that we produce about 60% of the time. In other words, we get it right over 60% of the time when we make a prediction about what 1,500 stocks are going to do between open and close on any given day.
All right. Well, sorting out important data points from the noise. Impressive indeed. President and CEO of ISentium joining me there, Gautham Sastri. Gautham, thanks for the time.